Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about ambition, that part of becoming the best version of yourself, whether that be attaining to have a more successful life, whether that having a successful career, starting your own business, or even just doing well in school and education. Is all about having ambition. You have to be ambitious. There's no point of being ambitious without having the drive. Being ambitious is absolutely pivotal into becoming a better you, because it means that you have the drive to do better. You have the drive to want things for yourself. You see yourself as bigger than you currently are, and you want to generally improve. It means that you have standards. You want what's best for yourself and for people around you. Having ambition is absolutely no problem with that, as long as you pair it with action, you pair it with the willpower. There's absolutely no point of being ambitious or saying all these things that you want to achieve, but you're not putting in the effort to be able to achieve that. At that point, it's just dreaming. So being an ambitious person pushes you out of your comfort zone. It means you're always trying to strive for something bigger than you are, for something bigger than what you already have, but don't let that be your downfall as well. Don't let people come in between your dreams and your ambitions and what you're trying to improve. Sometimes people will tell you you're dreaming bigger than you should, but I feel like with ambition, there's nothing off limits. You can dream as big as you want. You can be ambitious about so many different things, as you can push the boat out and really dream big, as long as you are putting the action towards your ambition. Don't let that overtake everything else in life. Like, yes, it's great to want to achieve good things for yourself. It's great to want to be a better person. It's great to want to grow and be innovative, but don't let that be your cost. Ambition comes with a lot of cost, so you have to be prepared to make sacrifices. Sometimes it may mean that in order for you to achieve your dreams, you have to cut out all the normal social interactions that you do so that you can focus on your goal. So as much as important it is to have ambition, be aware that you're going to have to make some sacrifices along the way. So if you're currently doing your vision board, or you're currently mapping out what your perfect life looks like, or you're currently working towards a better you, just make sure that you're not letting people come in between that, and that you are making the sacrifices you need to make in order for you to get to the next level. And remember, ambition is not just about dreaming, it's actually implementing and having a vision and working towards what you want. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your dreams are, what you're ambitious about, and I'll see you in my next one.